Tonight, you will do something you've done 10,000 times. It takes a few minutes. It happens in your own bed. And you have never, not once, seen it happen. Try it. Tonight. Lie down and watch yourself cross over. Hold on to the moment. You will fail. You have failed 10,000 times in a row. You wake up on the other side with no memory of the door. So here's the question nobody asks. Where does that memory go? Because you were awake. You were thinking. You were there. And something deleted it. You've seen the evidence your whole life. The text you don't remember sending. The movie with 20 missing minutes. The phone call at 2 a.m. that you answered, spoke through, and lost completely. You blame tiredness. It was never tiredness. These aren't accidents. They're all the same event. Every single night, in the last minutes before sleep, your brain quietly stops doing one specific job. But to see it happen, we need to go inside. Meet the archivist. A small part of your brain, called the hippocampus. Its only job, stamp your moments into memory. Every sight, every thought. Stamped, filed, saved. It has worked every waking minute of your life. But here's what nobody told you. The archivist clocks out early. 5, 10, sometimes 15 minutes before you actually fall asleep. It stops stamping. Scientists call it sleep-onset amnesia. You are still awake, still thinking. The film is still rolling, but nothing is being saved. Those minutes happen to you every night. And every night, they're gone by morning. Why would it throw away the end of every single day on purpose? Because the archivist wasn't going home. He was going to the back room. While you sleep, your brain replays the entire day, sorting, cutting, deciding what you keep forever and what you lose. Sleep isn't rest for your brain. It's the night shift. And to start that shift, it must put down the camera. Your brain doesn't delete those last minutes because they don't matter. It deletes them because it's busy saving everything else. But humans didn't always sleep like this. Then, around midnight, entire villages woke up. For an hour or more. They prayed. They stared at the stars. They called it the watch. Then they slept again until dawn. Here's the strange part. Their records describe that midnight hour as dreamlike, soft, half-remembered. They were living inside the archivist's off hours, a whole hour of life on the edge of the recording. An hour we lost when the light bulb taught us to sleep in one straight line. But all of this is leading to one question about you. Every night, there is a version of you that exists for a few minutes and is never saved. It thinks its last thought of the day. It worries about tomorrow. Sometimes, in the dark, it smiles about something no one will ever know. 10,000 nights, 10,000 small strangers, all of them you. And here's the gentlest part. It's the same for everyone you love. Every night, they too become someone briefly unrecorded. The last thing your mother thought before sleep, every night of her life, no one will ever know it. Not even her. You can't catch the moment you fall asleep. You were never supposed to. 10,000 times, your brain has closed the door quietly behind you, so you don't have to watch yourself leave. It will do it again tonight. Sleep well.